Hi, I'm David. Welcome to IT Jungles. In this video, we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S4. It's a brand new phone. This is a 16GB phone. So we're just going to see what's inside the box. So the phone is properly packaged, placed on top of the box. So inside a box we can find the phone. You also can find a quick start guide, also along with the recycling bag. So I'm just gonna leave that over there. Also along is a headset. You could also get the earpiece, the replacement earpiece on the plastic here. I'm just gonna put there. See what else is in the box. Get a white USB cable. So this is to connect to the computer so that you can transfer data or recharge your phone. You can also get a power adapter. Now this is also white color, quite different to all the traditional phone where the adapter usually is black. And finally, what we can expect is the battery. That appears to me the battery is made in Vietnam, or it's assembled in Vietnam here. So I would assume the phone is also being made in Vietnam. Let's see if we can find it anywhere. Okay, it doesn't say anywhere on the phone. Would most likely be made in Vietnam as well, because they have a huge factory over there. So there you go, that's what you can expect to get in the box of the Samsung Galaxy S4. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you decide to get one, then yeah, this is what that is what you will get. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more video tutorials.